Are you driving around in a naked rhino? Well, strong up and ride. It's easy with a full line of great products by J. Strong Industries. Windshields, doors, consoles, bumpers, battery isolators, and even tops complete with lights and stereo systems. J. Strong products are designed to work and constructed with only the highest quality materials. Ask for J. Strong products at your local dealer or visit their website to find a dealer near you. J. Strong Industries. Strong up and ride.
The Bridgestone Dueler ATV Revo is a new design that uses the company's exclusive Uni-T AQ2 technology, which in regular language means that it is a dual-layer tread compound that improves the tire's grip, not just in the everyday dry, wet, and snowy conditions, but more importantly, even when the tire is older and more worn. Now, basically, the dual-layer tread compound is an inner layer of tread that is exposed as the tread wears. Because tires harden as they get older, both from age and from getting hot, this technology allows the tire to retain its new performance as it ages and wears. But don't think that this means that it wears faster, because the Dueler ATV Revo not only comes with a 50,000-mile warranty, but many owners report actually getting that many miles on their trucks and SUVs. My take? Now, we found that Toyota Tundras are very sensitive to tires, having tried several different makes and styles, and the Revo is incredible. Not just in its performance, but in its ride. And based on what we've heard, we'll be liking these tires for a long, long time.